What if an asteroid hit Earth? It's a question that has intrigued and terrified humanity for centuries. Join us as we explore the catastrophic consequences, scientific insights, and survival strategies related to an asteroid impact on our planet. Welcome to Imagine If, where we delve into the most fascinating what-if scenarios. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more explorations into the unknown. Asteroids, remnants of our solar system's formation, vary in size from small rocks to massive bodies spanning hundreds of kilometers. While many remain in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, some stray into Earth's path. Earth has faced asteroid impacts before. The most famous event, the Chicxulub impact, led to the extinction of the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. But what if a similar event happened today? The effects of an asteroid depend on its size, speed, and impact location. A large asteroid traveling at high speed could release energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs, causing widespread devastation. Upon impact, the asteroid would generate immense heat, creating a fireball that incinerates everything in its vicinity. The shockwave would flatten structures and forests, while tsunamis could devastate coastal regions. The debris ejected into the atmosphere could block sunlight, leading to a dramatic drop in temperatures and affecting global climate. The immediate destruction from an asteroid impact would be catastrophic, but the long-term effects could be even more devastating. The lack of sunlight, known as an impact winter, would disrupt agriculture, leading to food shortages and potential famine. The release of aerosols and dust into the atmosphere would lead to acid rain, harming plants, animals, and water supplies. These changes would lead to ecological disruptions, potentially leading to mass extinctions. Fortunately, scientists are not sitting idly by. Various space agencies and organizations are actively monitoring the skies for potential threats. Early detection systems use telescopes and satellites to track near-Earth objects. If a potential impact is detected, several deflection strategies could be employed. Kinetic impactors could nudge the asteroid off course, nuclear explosions could alter its trajectory, and gravitational tractors could slowly pull it away from Earth using the mass of a spacecraft. In the event of an unavoidable impact, preparation is key. Governments and communities would need to implement emergency plans, including evacuation routes, emergency supplies, and shelters. Underground bunkers could provide protection from the initial impact and the harsh conditions that follow. Ensuring a supply of water and medical resources would be crucial for long-term survival. By studying past impacts, scientists gain valuable insights into the potential consequences of future events. Understanding the causes and effects of historical impacts helps in developing better detection and prevention strategies. Experts from various fields work together to assess the risks and develop comprehensive plans to protect humanity. Their research and collaboration are essential in mitigating the threat of asteroid impacts. Looking to the future, asteroid exploration holds great promise. Missions like NASA's OSIRIS-Rx and Japan's Hayabusa 2 are paving the way for understanding these celestial bodies and developing technologies to deal with potential threats. Future missions could include testing deflection techniques, mining asteroids for valuable resources, and even using them as stepping stones for deep space exploration. These advance our ability to protect Earth and expand our presence in the solar system. What if an asteroid hit Earth? While the potential for devastation is immense, the advancements in science and technology give us hope. By preparing and investing in space exploration, we can mitigate the risks and ensure a safer future for humanity. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the unknown. If you found this video thought-provoking, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more explorations into the mysteries of the cosmos. Until next time, keep questioning and keep exploring.